So, if you want to learn how to trade options, purchase my ebook located in the description below. And if TikTok is still alive, right, my ebook is available in my IG bio. And how did I make $185 trading SPY call options? So, basically, yesterday the position was down, I want to say it was down 18 or 19%. And then today the market opened, right? Around, I want to say 9:36, I sold out the position, and the position was in the green. It was up 19%. Basically, I made $185 just trading a single SPY call option, basically. And honestly, it wasn't at a great spot when I bought that single SPY call option. If I recall, yesterday I had mentioned that I bought one SPY call option on this 13 candle. So as soon as I saw that the 9-day not the 9, but as soon as I saw that this candle landed exactly on the 9-day moving average, right after getting rejected by the 20-day moving average, I basically bought as soon as it landed on the 9-day moving average. And so I was just basically trying to play it safe in a way. So basically what I was trying to do was like I'll just buy when it approaches, moving averages, right? And specifically, let's see if I can buy a single call option, right, on the 9-day moving average. That did happen. And so basically, throughout the day, there was just like, SPY was in a downtrend basically that whole day. And basically, I didn't want to buy any more SPY call options anymore because, as you can see, the next candle, the 1330 candle, got rejected by the 50-day moving average, and so it maintained itself below the 9-day moving average. So my my idea was that basically SPY could possibly see more momentum towards the downside, right? And that obviously didn't happen. Basically, what I thought was going to happen was basically SPY, I don't know, it just felt like that day, yesterday, for some reason I felt like it was kind of odd with SPY. I kind of honestly felt like it was going to be one of those days where you would see SPY just dump like crazy all of a sudden, and that didn't happen. So but you did see that SPY was having trouble breaking the 20-day moving average throughout the day. And then the market opened, right, the next following day, right? So I bought basically, I want to say about SPY around 593 the next day, right? The market opened at 593, and then it saw a high of 5. Wait, is this it? Oh no, I'm sorry, hold on. Going back, right? So basically the market opened at 597. So buying a single SPY call option at on the 9-day moving average at 593, and basically when the market opened at 597, my position was already in the green. So in a way, I don't know, I guess when you try to play it safe, when you try to time the market in a way, right? I know timing the market is kind of like iffy because no one's a master at timing the market, not even the best traders in a way. So but basically, what the strategy is that if you're day trading SPY in a way, sort of, and you're playing like 2 or 3 week call expiration dates, right? I don't know how you even say it, to be honest, but basically, let's say you're just like sort of short-term swing trading SPY, right? Basically what this other strategy I've developed is basically step 1, right? For example, you saw that on today, right? SPY was in a constant rally, right? Then all of a sudden around 1430, you can see that it broke below the 9-day moving average, right? And so to me that meant okay, this could signal a possibility that throughout the day, right, maybe SPY possibly could land on the 20-day moving average. And did that happen? Not really. But around well, this candle doesn't really count because that's after hours, so you can't really buy call options there. But basically what you want to do is, like, let's say this pattern right here, right, around the 1430 candle, right? Let's say that, okay, this last candle, right, the 16 candle landed exactly on the 20-day moving average. I would personally buy a single SPY call option, right, and just wait until what happens, right, in the next following days. So basically I would have to wait until Monday to see how the market opens, right? And basically the goal is to just sell out the position once it's up 5 or 10%, and then step 3 is to just rinse and repeat that cycle in a way. So like try to buy during the day, right? You see that it's approaching certain support levels throughout the day, buy into that specific support level. If you see that it's gonna land exactly on the 9-day moving average, on the 20-day moving average, or the 50-day moving average, and etc., feel free to buy a call option there, right? But also try to use the the moving averages as indicators to to decide if where you're buying is a good buying opportunity, or is it like a kind of wait moment and see if we can see further downtrend throughout the day, right? So for example, right, if I saw that SPY broke below the 9-day moving average around 1430, I'm just gonna patiently wait for the next candle to see if it can at least approach or break the 9-day moving average, and see if it breaks it, right? If it doesn't, I'm just gonna basically wait to get into a single call option at when it lands on the 20-day moving average, because I'm personally seeing that, okay, it's having trouble breaking the 9-day moving average. I'm just gonna patiently wait and buy a single SPY call option when it lands exactly on the 20-day moving average. And then let's say the next day SPY falls, I don't know, let's say you bought it at the 597, right? And the next day SPY is all the way at I don't know, 589, right? It's all the way to 589. I'm gonna buy I'm gonna look on the daily chart, right? And I'm basically gonna well hold on. You're not gonna buy on the around 589, right? Or let's say that's SPY doesn't fall to 589. Basically what you're gonna do is you're gonna see, okay, is SPY exactly on the 20-day moving average? Is it on the 9-day moving average, right? If I can get into one of those entry points, right, I'll buy another call option there. But if I start seeing that, okay, that the position is now down 30%, okay, then that's when I'll enter into another SPY call option. So I don't know, it's kind of complicated in a way. I wish I could explain it a little better, but that's really much to it. So that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next video. As always, take care and bye.